Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to set camera to current view in Blender. So it is really important function that you need to know, and to be honest it is really easy to change camera position. So let's check actual position. If we click to this one option, toggle to camera view, we can check the actual camera view. So if we would like to change it, for example we will change it to this one position, we need to go to the upper side and check if you have here object mode. This is really important because here you will have the special option view. We need to open this one option, and here you will find a lot of really helpful and useful settings. And here we are interested in to go to align view, and you are going to see here one really special option. We need to open align active camera to view. You can click on this option or use shortcut Ctrl+Alt numpad 0. Of course it depends of your preferences. You can use this shortcut or click on this one option. And when I click to this option, camera position changed to our view. So like you see, it's really working. And of course you can check position of our camera. So that's true, we have successfully changed position to current view. So it's everything in this video. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.